This Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Holly Groninger. Picturesque 1832 stone home, new 3-bay pole building, bank barn, stone spring house and spring-fed stocked pond with water wheel, all situated on 7.63 acres. The house is tastefully restored throughout with 3 working stone fireplaces, original tongue and groove flooring in all rooms, and original hardware on all doors. Recent upgrades include custom-built cherry kitchen cabinets, replacement windows, new metal roof, new oil/wood hot air furnace. Beautifully restored spring house with never-fail spring. Full southern exposure with deep topsoil. The 3-bay garage has a concrete floor, electric, water, and septic. Many possibilities with this property as it has no zoning, so can be commercial or residential. Not many around like this. For more information, review the details below.